So when we started our value enhancement program, we identified a significant number of opportunities that could only be implemented if we had the wireless infrastructure at our sites to support them. The rollout of this 5G and Wi-Fi connectivity project provides the infrastructure needed to move forward, delivering on our ambitious goals and bringing real value to all our sites around the world.
The execution of this project has provided the necessary wireless and cellular IT infrastructure to enable our employees to utilize our digital systems in HSE, operations, and maintenance. And having access to these digital systems will give us real-time data, it'll improve safety, it'll also drive continuous improvement. And this project was made possible by the collaboration of our internal stakeholders within the company, along with our third-party suppliers.
We have reduced travel time between field houses and production units, faster access to electronic documents from the field, and real-time voice and video collaboration with remotely located experts.
Sustainability is a core tenet within LyondellBasell. So we search for wireless solutions that could handle the demand of connecting our sites and reflect our commitment to sustainability.
It was a fantastic partnership, right? It's always nice to see connectivity come, and people really love to see that I am connected and I can do this and I can do that.
Working together with the manufacturing organization to enable all the amazing things they hope to accomplish or continue to build on in terms of worker safety, operations, predictive maintenance, to sustainability.
Our journey of generating real value and enhancing opportunities is just getting started. Through connectivity, we can create solutions for a better tomorrow.